What's up, everybody? I've passed FTMO challenge a total of 10 times now, and I'll be going for an 11th win on a $50,000 account. I'll do the entire challenge live, so I'll be trading it on my regular live streams that I do every night, Monday through Friday, starting at 11:30 p.m. Pacific time. I've said many times before that the FTMO challenge is actually not that difficult to pass once you know how to do it. I will prove that point live and in person for everyone to see. I'll quickly go over my strategy here. I've developed a couple of different formulas and strategies to pass the challenge. The best and easiest, safest, and fastest way to do it is to use a compounding strategy. I'll be using the safe version of the formula for this challenge. For the $50,000 challenge, you need to reach a target profit of $5,000, and the max loss is also $5,000. So the easiest way to go is to use a 3 reward compounding formula using 0.2% risk, which is $100 in this case. You take that $100 into 300 on your first trade, 300 into 900 on your second trade, and combine both of those wins to then take 1200 into 3600 for your third trade. That gives you a total gain of $4,800, not quite the $5,000 target. To get the remaining $200, you can just take a regular 2 reward trade with that same $100 risk. So this is of course great if you only take 3 trades and you happen to win all 3 in a row. In the case that you don't get the win streak, I also made a 2 reward version. This is good for trades that won't make it all the way to 3 reward, but they're still good and valid trades. That is $100 to 200, 200 into 400, and combine those for 600 into $1,200. That gives you a total gain of $1,800. The easier way would be to just go for 3 reward trades only, but you can still make some profits on the 2 reward trades as well. So those are the compounding formulas that I'll be using. Now let's take a look at the patterns that I'll be trading. I think every successful day trader out there will agree that EMA pullbacks are the best patterns to trade. They have a very high rate of success. They typically go at least 3 reward, if not more, and they give you plenty of time to see the trade and enter. They can be pullbacks to either the 8 EMA or the 21 EMA, depending on the situation. These happen on all the different time frames. The higher time frame versions are the best ones. So these patterns I'll be searching for the most. Also, consolidation, trend continuation, as I've named them, are very good too. And finally, we have the retrace continuation patterns. These don't happen as often as the other 2, but they are also very good and have a very high rate of success. I won't be focusing as much on double tops, engulfing tops, or parabolic tops because they aren't as reliable. When compounding, it's very important to only take high quality trades. Since you have to get win streaks in order to complete the formula, you need to only go for super high quality trading patterns and try to stay as close to a 100% win rate as possible. If that means you just simply don't take any trades on certain days, then that's just what you need to do. So this is a much less stressful way of trading as well. I've already modified my trading plan recently. I take a maximum of 6 trades on any day, and if I have 3 losses in a row during any session, I'll immediately leave the session. This is to prevent myself from having too many losses on a given day. So adding in those 2 rules made it almost impossible for me to revenge trade, which was a huge issue of mine before. Also, it makes me have to choose higher quality trades since I don't have many that I can take in a session. I had to place restrictions on myself to avoid any huge blowout days. A red day is fine here and there, and if it's only a 2% or 3% loss, it's really easy to recover from. So like I said, I'll be live streaming my progress for this entire challenge. You're free to follow along with the trades if you want. I should be able to get the challenge done within 2 weeks at the very most. There is a 10-day minimum, which I still don't understand why they have that in there. In the past, when I've completed challenges in less than 10 days, I had to take blank trades to complete that requirement. It's kind of annoying and unnecessary in my opinion, but it's all good. So I'll be showing the trades and my account balance on my MT5 account as well. I know a lot of people were asking for that. I have also been doing recap videos in the morning for my live stream sessions. I'll show the FTMO metrics during those. This will be a super transparent situation here. I want to show that I want to show what it's really like to trade these prop firm accounts. And I'll start my first session later on tonight, so be sure to pop in for that one. So that's all for now. I hope you guys enjoyed your weekend as much as I did. Make sure to hit that like button if you're enjoying the channel and all the different videos that I'm putting up. Remember to always trade responsibly, and I'll see you guys later.